Alright, let's look at this question. It said A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral with G and H, the midpoint of DA and BC respectively. Now show that AB plus DC equals to GH. Alright, a quadrilateral has a four-sided shape. That's A, let's say B, let's say, okay, let me do like this: A, B, C, and D. Okay, which means the flow is this way, since this is the starting point, then this way, right? And the midpoint DA. Okay, G is the midpoint of DA, so from here to here, DA, so this is our G, and BC, H. So here you have it. Okay, so, and that is it. Then we have that show AB plus DC equals to GH. Okay, so here is AB and here is DC. Okay, for us to A to be here, AB, you start from A and end is B, so you can travel from A to G, G to H, H to B. So here you have AG, then plus GH, then plus HB. Okay, now DC, for you to travel from DC, from you to travel from D to C here, there's a D, DC, you have that will be DG, then plus GH, then plus HC. Okay, now take note, we have to add here. So let us add the two equations. So here you have AB plus DC then equals AG plus DG then plus, now here you have this plus this, you have 2GH then plus HB plus HC. Alright, now how do we go about this? Now AB plus DC here. Now AG, this is AG, and DG. That is, since G is the midpoint of AD, it definitely means AG and DG will be 0, because AG will be minus our DG, since it's the same thing as from G to A. So here you have AG. Take note, the right direction is from A to D, but here is what D to G. Now for here, D to G is the same thing as G to A or A to G. So A to G and our DG will now be the opposite. Since it's coming this way, it's opposite of what? AG. Okay, so then plus 2GH then plus HB, which is actually opposite to BH, then plus HC. Now, since H is the midpoint of BH and GC, so we can say here that this will now be minus GC plus GC. Alright, so AB plus DC now be 0 plus 2GH plus 0. So at the end of the day, AB plus DC will now give us a 2GH. Alright, final answer. Bye.